Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to send an invoice on bill.com. Whether you're a small business owner or working in a large enterprise, sending invoices efficiently is vital to keeping your cash flow in check. Bill.com is a fantastic tool that simplifies this process, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your bill.com account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top menu. You'll see several different tabs that help you navigate through the platform. For our purposes today, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Invoices. This tab is your gateway to managing all of your billing needs on the platform. Once you've clicked on the Invoices tab, you'll be brought to a new page. Here, you'll find a list of all your invoices. This area is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of what's been sent, what's awaiting payment, and what still needs to be sent out. What we need to focus on next is locating the Unsent tab. This tab is crucial as it contains all the invoices that you've created but have not yet sent to your clients. Now, go ahead and click on the Unsent tab. This will filter your list to show only the invoices that are ready to be delivered. You should see a list of these unsent invoices, each with important details like the client name, invoice number, and the total amount due. This makes it easy to find the specific invoice you want to send. The next step is to select the invoice you wish to send. Look carefully through your list, and once you've found the right one, you'll notice 3 small dots somewhere near the invoice details. These dots are your action menu, offering a variety of options for managing your invoice. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Send. By selecting Send, you're telling bill.com that you're ready for this invoice to make its way to your client. Go ahead and click Send to initiate this process. Once you do so, bill.com will take care of the rest, sending your invoice directly to the client's email or through other specified delivery methods you've set up. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invoice using bill.com. It's a straightforward process, but it's always reassuring to know you're doing it correctly. To recap, you start by clicking on the Invoices tab, then navigate to the Unsent tab, find your specific invoice, click the 3 dots to open up the action menu, and finally, select Send. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth invoicing experience. First, double-check your invoice details before hitting send. Make sure all information, such as the client's email address and invoice amount, is accurate. This helps avoid any delays in payment. Also, familiarize yourself with the settings in bill.com. You can customize how invoices are sent and even automate reminders if payments are overdue. And there you have it. Sending invoices through bill.com is a breeze once you know where to find everything. With this knowledge, you'll be able to manage your billing processes more efficiently, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources available on bill.com. Happy invoicing!